Joy from the Basket Case Florist at Calvert. We're in the shopping center by the food giant. Me and my mom, Linda Timmons, have been partners here for close to 30 years. We sell a lot of different things: fresh flowers, plants, silk flowers, gifts. We have a lot of fun here. It's a family business. My sister-in-law and my aunt also work here with us. And today I'm going to show you how to tie a bow. So you need about 5 to 6 yards of ribbon to do a nice size bow for a wreath or a package or whatever. And we get the wired kind is the easiest. It has the wire on the edge. It's just easier to work with. You start out by making a loop for the center. You hold it in your hands and then you twist it right under that loop. You make one on the side and again you twist it. So you always keep the pretty side to the top. So to get a pretty full bow, you put about 4 or 5 loops on each side of that center. So this one has 4 on each side. Then you cut your tail there, however, about whatever length you want it. We're going to add one to the other side. Take a wire, you go right through that center, you gather all this ribbon up on the back, and before you tighten your wire up, you just fluff your bow, make it look pretty, and then on the back, you just twist that wire a little bit to hold it in place. There you go.